News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today, we will be discussing about vacancies in State Bank of India, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, Mahanadi Water Disputes Tribunal, Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization, Directorate of Forensic Science Services, and All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Deoghar. State Bank of India invites online application from Indian citizens for appointment in the following specialist cadre post on regular basis. 12 posts of Manager Marketing, 26 posts of Deputy Manager Marketing, 2 posts of Manager Credit, 183 posts of Assistant Manager Systems, 17 posts of Deputy Manager Systems, 15 posts of IT Security Expert, 14 posts of Project Manager, 5 posts of Application Architect, 2 posts of Technical Lead, 40 posts of Assistant Manager Security Analyst, 60 posts of Deputy Manager Security Analyst, 12 posts of Manager Network Security Specialist, 20 posts of Manager Network Routing and Switching Specialist, 28 posts of Deputy Manager Internal Audit, and 16 posts of Engineer Fire. Candidates are requested to apply online through the link given in bank's website bank.sbi/web/careers or www.sbi.co.in/web/careers under respective advertisement numbers. Details regarding place of posting, job profile and KRAs, how to apply, guidelines for filling online application, application fee, guidelines for payment of fees, how to upload documents, selection procedure, general information, etc. are provided in the respective detailed advertisements which is available on bank's website. Before applying, candidates are advised to read carefully comprehensive information given in the detailed advertisement. For any query, please write to them through link contact us/post your query, which is available on bank's website bank.sbi/web/careers or sbi.co.in/web/careers. Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is a premier public sector enterprise under the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, having comprehensive capability in all facets of nuclear technology, namely site selection, design, construction, commissioning, operations, maintenance, renovation, modernization and upgradation, plant life extension, waste management and decommissioning of nuclear reactors in India under one roof. Gorakhpur Haryana Anu Vidyut Pariyojana is one of the units under Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. Gorakhpur Haryana Anu Vidyut Pariyojana invites online applications to fill its vacancies for the following post on contract or fixed term basis. 3 posts of Scientific Advisor C Safety Supervisor, 1 post of Leading Fireman A, 3 posts of Driver cum Pump Operator cum Fireman A, 1 post of Assistant Grade 1 HR, 1 post of Assistant Grade 1 F&A, and 2 posts of Steno Grade 1. Candidates may apply online by visiting the website www.npcilcareers.co.in. The application process will start from 5th January 2021 10 a.m. to 25th January 2021 5 p.m. All further announcements or details pertaining to this process will only be published on Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited website www.npcilcareers.co.in and www.npcil.nic.in. Mahanadi Water Disputes Tribunal invites recruitment to the following posts on deputation including short-term contract basis or re-employment basis. 1 post of private secretary, 2 posts of principal private secretary, 2 posts of court master, and 1 post of executive engineer. For more information and details of the post, terms and conditions, etc., please visit the Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation website mowr.gov.in. Last date for receiving application for the post is 60 days from the date of publication in Employment News. Let's know about the origin of Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization founded by Bapu before we discuss the vacancies in it. Gandhiji started the All India Village Industries Association on 14th December 1934 in the upper room of Mahila Ashram, Wardha. Dr. Joseph Cornelius Kumarappa, known for his theory of economy of permanence, was chosen by the Congress to lead this movement as per Bapu's wishes. Shri Krishnadas Jaju became its first president. All India Village Industries Association had a board of 18 advisors consisting of distinguished scientists like Dr. C.V. Raman and Dr. J.C. Bose, and also many leaders in public life and industry, Rabindranath Tagore, G.D. Birla, M.A. Ansari and Satish Chandra Das Gupta among others. Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization under Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, invites applications on deputation basis including short-term contract in prescribed format from suitable officers working under the central government or state government or statutory authorities or autonomous bodies for filling up of 1 post of Deputy Director, Group A post, Rural Chemical Industries at Wardha, Maharashtra. Last date for submission of application through proper channel is 29th January 2021. The form and other details for applying to the above post can be downloaded from the website www.ngiri.org. Corrigendum, if any, issued on the above advertisement will be published only on the Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Rural Industrialization website. Directorate of Forensic Science Services invites applications in the prescribed proforma for filling up 4 posts of staff car driver, ordinary grade, on deputation or absorption basis under the Directorate of Forensic Science Services cadre. The complete information in respect of the above post is available at the Directorate website www.dfs.nic.in. Applications complete in all respect are required to reach the Directorate within a period of 2 months from the date of publication of the circular in Employment News. All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS is an institution of national importance under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. AIIMS Deoghar invites applications in the prescribed proforma for the following post on deputation basis: 1 post of Medical Superintendent, 1 post of Financial Advisor, 1 post of Superintending Engineer, 1 post of Accounts Officers, and 1 post of Librarian Grade 1. For application form, eligibility criteria, desirable qualifications and experience-related details, please visit www.aimspatna.org/www.aimspatna.ohfw.nic.in. Last date of receipt of application in AIIMS Deoghar will be 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.